Hi everyone. A very warm wishes to you for giving the prelims exam, guys. जल्दी से join कर लो. Let us start the analysis session. I hope मेरी तरह आप लोग भी excited हो के paper discuss करने के लिए. How is the paper? Because everybody is excited for RGS. RGS because it comes frequently, and Northern Beltmate is very fascinating exam for everyone. There are 100 questions, 30 comprises of Hindi and English, and 70 for the rest of law question. This time, some new addition of the subjects are also there, we have seen. So people were very anxious, like how to study those subjects. Many more subjects are there. So already there were around 10 to 15 subjects, and then now after addition, it is more than 20 subjects. So studying those for 70 questions is a crucial task. So I'm waiting for a few minutes. Let's other students join. Till the time, please give me a thumbs up if I'm audible and visible to you. And also, you can share your experience about the exam because I know everybody is excited. The exam is over. We will be discussing about the level of the exam, the types of questions which were there in the exam, because everybody was expecting after the new three criminal laws that there will be the dominant of three new criminal laws. So how to study, how to maintain a balance between the new criminal laws and the old criminal laws. Then there was minor laws and the local laws. So because there is no fixed number of question in RGS, so everybody has that thing like how many questions will be from local laws, or whether local law will be dominant or more they ask more than the minor laws, or the new acts which were included in this year, whether they will be in the majority. So many questions are there in an aspirant's mind. So we are here to discuss that only. So let me wait for a few more minutes. Let the other people join, and then we will be starting the analysis session. And one more thing, guys, in our the test series group which we have formed on WhatsApp, we have forwarded the answer key as well. So in case you like there is some network issue or you won't be able to join the session, this analysis session, you can just tell your marks with that answer key and just let us know, because in this session we will be discussing the expected cutoff also, because everybody is curious about the cutoff, how what will be the cutoff, whether they are far to the cutoff or on the verge of the cutoff. So we will be discussing everything. Just give me a thumbs up and we will start the session. I can see few number of participants. Please join further also. Yes. आप लोग भी मुझसे शेयर करते रहो गाइस, कैसा था पेपर. I will be happy to interact with you all. Because see, after this, many of you know that the after the inclusion of 3 years criteria, many of you have to adhere to that, and because of which you won't be able to give the exam for next 1 year, 2 year, whatever the years will be. So this is the last and the very crucial chance for those people. So they have give their best. They have attempted the paper, and the paper also looks quite moderate, right, guys? Okay, so I can see a few people in chat box. So I will be starting the session. Before going to the paper, just giving you a basic brief about the paper. Like there are total 100 questions, 70 is for law subject, and 30 is for Hindi and English. In that, 15 questions each, respectively. Right. So marking is +1 for the correct answer, and there is no negative marking. So everybody has attempted the whole paper. Right. The duration of the exam is 120 minutes. That is like one more than 1 minute for a question. And the difficulty level, it is not that too easy, but it is, we can't say it as a difficult also. So it is almost ranging between easy to moderate, not even all moderate to difficult, but it is overall easy to moderate, because there are few questions not at directly from the pair act or to the pair section. But yes, if you have the basic knowledge of a particular section or the part, you can definitely able to answer it. So, after going through the overall paper, what I have witnessed, the paper was quite moderate. The paper was easy, and the like in the consti we have seen very basic questions of the asked from the Constitution of India. Then from interpretation of a statute, we have one case laws, that is head-on's rule is related to which head-on's case. So questions are quite directly, but few of the questions have lengthy options, I can say. So, but the options are lengthy, and the just word after, before, around, so these words are the catchy words. If you know the actual uh, words of the particular section, you can easily answer it out. You don't have to even read the whole answer options. Options are quite lengthy in few of the questions, but if you are aware about these catchy words like before, after, or many questions are based on like the particular section, like section 354 of IPC. The investigation has to be done in particular time duration. That duration is for 2 months. So many questions, and the questions from the new criminal laws are also like, if anyone has seen the yesterday's Assam paper, there's one question repetition of that. So if you are giving a paper which is and one paper is already held, like let's suppose I have done the analysis session of Assam paper also yesterday, and what I feel that whenever the new criminal laws questions are in the RGS and Assam are somehow similar, so you don't have to go with the only RGS paper. Okay, I'm giving Rajasthan paper, so I will be going through the Rajasthan questions paper and PYQs only. If any other state exam is also take place in the same month or year, so you should have to go through that exam also. I can found 2 to 3 questions from the Assam paper from new criminal laws. So those, one was quite direct, and the two others are quite similar. If you have gone through that question, you can easily answer this question also. And then if we are coming about Hindi and English, Hindi is very basic. If you have solved the, like if you have solved in 200, 300, if you solve even the study material of our Lawsikho team, then also you can easily figure out the correct answer and you can mark the answer. And then if you're talking about the new subjects which will be added, like Hindu law, Hindu law, Muslim law, so those were also very direct. Sappadi, they have asked what is Sappadi, and questions from Hama are also there. But those questions are quite direct. You just have to be through with the very landmarks, landmark and the important sections of a particular act, and you can definitely answer that question. Then coming to the subject-wise insight, so as we discussed, like CRPC, BNSS, all these questions are very quite direct through. And even though we have given the answer keys to you people, so you can check the answers from that answer key, and you can let us know like how many marks you are scoring. See, if we will be discussing the paper here also, but right now you people are traveling and seeing and checking, because many people have internet issue, or many of you have exhausted, many of you are going back to your home, so checking one question each is might through the video might be a difficult task. But we have shared the answer key, and even we will be providing the link of the answer key in our comment section. So you can check the answers from the answer key and let us know the your scores in the comment section only. So contract act evidence was there, Hindi and English, everything. The the paper is not that moderate, that not difficult. It is quite easy, but the only catch is you have to be very well versed with the Bear Act. If you know the Bear Act, like I have few students interaction, they said that they are not preparing that too much for Rajasthan, but they have filled the form. But because of the basic understanding, they can easily figure out the right answer. So if you have basic understanding and conceptual clarity, you can answer the question easily. You don't have to mug up the whole section or the whole concept. The basic understanding and conceptual clarity is the most important thing to answer in this exam. And if any other question you have, I can see in the comment section. We will be happy to address that as well, guys. If any one of you want to address the question, or any one of you want to share your experience, because paper is quite easy. So after this overall cutoff, only thing which is left, and you were also excited for the thing, is that is cutoff. What will be the expected cutoff? Because last time it was around 70 plus. This time definitely it will be going beyond that. It will be around 75 to 80. I can easily predict it will be around 75 to 80. This you can be adhered to. If you are scoring 80 plus, then well and good. If you are between 75 to 80, then also you can prepare for mains examination. But if you are somewhere between 65 to 75, then you have to wait for the official result. Because paper was quite easy to moderate and you can easily answer 70 to 75 questions. The only thing is that. So cutoff and everything is in your hand. Now you have to assess evaluate your answers. You have to know what scores you are getting, and then on the basis of that you can start your mains preparation as well, because Rajasthan won't give you enough time to prepare for mains, right? Then the most highlighting thing which Lawsikho is offering is test series. We have conducted a holistic test series from the Rajasthan point of view, and in that we have around 15 subject-wise tests and 4 full-length mocks. So, in comparison of that and in evaluating those test series from today's actual exam and the study material which Lawsikho provide to its internal students, we can safely say that we have around 65 to 70 questions are from our test series only. That is Lawsikho. If you have gone through the test series and the study material which we used to provide, you will be easily crossing the limit of 65 to 70 questions. And Lawsikho is curating the test series on assessing the PYQs, assessing the past year papers, and the analysis of the past year paper, through which they get to know that how the High Court is setting the paper, how the trend is shifting from application based question to direct question or conceptual based question. So this test series is curated on many in considering many factors, that is PYQs analysis and talking to the experts of the commission, so that you will get a better understanding how the exam will the question of the exam will be coming. So these things are there. Afterwards, if we are telling about the uh, expected cutoff and the number of similar questions from test series to the actual paper, it is around 65 to 70, and you can expect cutoff between 75 to 80, what I can safely presume. So guys, any other options, any other question if you have, please let me know. I will be definitely happy to help you. If you want any guidance regarding the mains examination or the answer key, if you have any query regarding the any question you are confused in, or if you find that there is a problem in any question, please let me know in the chat box so we can discuss it right now. See, subject wise insight, like the SRA questions, they are there. Then there is JJ Act is also there. Then PW Prevention of Women from Domestic Violence Act is there. So from there, the questions are asked directly from the sections which are quite highlighted. And in every exam, those questions are quite repetitive in nature also. So in JJ Act, they ask what is the child means. So these are very landmark, like important sections of a particular act, and you should have very thorough understanding of that as well. It is not like something they have asked from very corner topic, which somebody left or somebody's saying that it won't be coming in the question paper. So I will be leaving. All the questions are from the topics which are very important in a particular act, right? So if you want any help from the Lawsikho in the mains preparation or with respect to any judiciary exam, you can let us know. And please check the answers from the answer key which we are providing in the comment section, and let us know what the scores you are getting. So we will be in the position to help you guys for the mains preparation and to help you in your journey of becoming a judge in that very beautiful journey which you are living, which you are going to live. So we will be happy to part of that, guys. Any other questions, guys? Okay, guys, then all the best. Let me know if any help you want. Just keep shining, keep the good work up. Thank you all.